Welcome to the
Cringe Bros.
Cringe Bros.
Today, we're going to be showing you guys how we make homemade chicken food. Say hi to our chickens. Okay. Guys, it will be mixed with corn and wheat. So, don't skip ahead so you can see how we make it.
We will be filling this bad boy up halfway.
Now let's go up to the pit of doom. And go fill up the bucket with stuff. I'll show you how to do it.
Go.
Oh
The pit of doom.
no! Guys, we have reached
The shack of doom.
Let's see what's inside.
What is this place?
Alright guys, this is what we used. Looks like it was made in the
2020.
1618, eh? It's made in the 1600s, guys.
Even though it looks like it was made in the 300s. Beautiful, ain't it?
It's a work of art. Alright guys, we got 3 buckets. One for the corn, one for the wheat, and one to fill it up and dump it in there.
I'll be filling up 2 buckets first.
He'll be filling up 2 of these. And then my turn. So this is the corn we're using. And this is the wheat we're using. Alright, little bro, start filling. Alright, do the wheat. Alright, we got the 2 buckets full. Now we dump it into this thing, it grinds it up, and shoots it out the bottom.
Now, how you want to start? You flip the switch.
This thing runs smooth.
And then you grab this stick.
I already told him how it works. Have fun!
We have already ran into a problem.
It's already clogged up, guys. So let's try to fix it. Looks like this 1600 piece of work art does have some problems, surprisingly. Okay guys, after a lot of hard work and dedication, we got it unclogged. Guys, little bro got a bucket. Some fresh stuff. Okay, it filled it like almost halfway. So little bro's gonna do like half a bucket. Guys, little bro finished. Now it's my turn to have some fun. Filling the buckets. Alright guys, buckets are full. Let's get grinding this stuff. bucket full. Ugh. Just a little more ways. Guys, last dump. And we finished! Going home. That's what hard work gets you.
Now let's taste test. Eli will be tasting it first.
Let's see what the chickens think.
Looks like they're hungry.
Eat.
They like it.
They love it.
Thanks for watching. Cringe Bros out.